Good morning. So today maybe 2 days ago, I ran out of facial toner and I'm just gonna make my own and show you guys what I use sometimes. It varies. I use rose water and I just go to the grocery store um, and get it. It's usually about $4-ish for how many ounces is this? This is probably about 12 ounces. And I use aloe vera juice. So I've already measured out 2 ounces. I'm just going to use an old bottle that I use. I use this on clearance at TJ Maxx. So yeah, 2 ounces of the rose water, and then 2 ounces of the aloe vera juice. To measure it, I don't think you guys need to see me do this, but and I can't see. Well, I can see, but it's blurry. Okay. So the 2 ounces of this. Oh, it went over. Oh well. This is 6 ounces, so I just wanted to make sure I had enough. I often usually just kind of just use just that. In fact, I have my daughters use that. They're young. They're uh, 14 and 12. So it's safe for their skin. It's very light. It's very simple. But since I'm using this kind of aloe vera juice, it doesn't have preserves in it. So I'm actually adding probably about a half an ounce of apple cider vinegar, and it's really acting as more of a preservative, but it's also a common ingredient in a lot of facials. So um, kind of hard to measure. I don't put too much in there. So here's what I have. I'm gonna pour it in here so I can pour it in a jar easier. Some people also use witch hazel. I'm put a couple of squirts of that in there as well. It's a nice astringent. And you could use different oils. I don't often use oils, but sometimes I have something. So I have rose hip here, and there you can use argan oil, grapeseed oil. If you use olive oil, just use a little bit because I mean you want to be able to spray it out. Unless you don't care, if you're not using the sprayer, then you just do whatever you want to. Essential oils are good. Just be mindful of which one to use. If you like the smell of something, just make sure it won't interact badly with your skin and with the season. So, like, you wouldn't want to use, so this is lime. I wouldn't want to use lime in the summer or any sort of citrus because um, it causes your skin to be a bit more sensitive to light. Um, and you don't want that kind of burn. What other options you have? There's many other options. You can even use like you want to use like a hibiscus or a green tea. There's many different things. You decide what you want to do. I use toner just so my skin won't be dry. I did like a wash and I added no Milky. Someone's causing trouble over there. You behaving yourself. So, um, but yeah, I use mine because I don't like my skin to be dry, and I use I kind of did exfoliant with activated charcoal and a cream that I use. So this is all I do. It's very simple. There's many different varieties of facial toners you can use. Toners, sorry. Very light. Doesn't really do it, but that's it. Hope this helps. Have a good day.